Today I am going to show how to open or enable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. Follow the steps to open keyboard. First, go to search box and search setting. There is keyboard option. Open that option. And there is on-screen keyboard option. Enable that option. There you go. And there is another way to open on-screen keyboard. Go to accessibility option. Scroll down. There is keyboard option. Open that option. And there is on-screen keyboard option. Enable that option. And there is another way to open on-screen keyboard using shortcut key. Just type Ctrl plus Window plus U. It will appear to your screen. And you can change fonts. Type Window plus space button. You can change it into English and Nepali. Thank you for watching this video.